Los Angeles is a city in the USA, the administrative center of the district of the same name and a large agglomeration, on the territory of which more than 17 million people live. The city is located in the southern part of the state of California. In the west it has access to the Pacific Ocean, and on other sides it is surrounded by desert and mountains. The population of Los Angeles is 3.8 million inhabitants. The area of the city is 1,302 square kilometers. Los Angeles is a city of fashion, illusions, dreams, and fulfillment of the most cherished desires. Here you can ride the crest of a wave, look behind the scenes of the filming of your favorite TV series, soak up the sun on a beach with snow-white sand, or fulfill a childhood dream, to visit Disneyland. The city fascinates with its atmosphere of luxury, carelessness, and grandeur. It produces everything that is commonly called the American dream, and is considered the world capital of entertainment. To make sure of this, you just need to visit Wilshire Boulevard. It is a 24 kilometers long street where hundreds of shops, nightclubs, restaurants, and the most expensive houses in the world are concentrated. Los Angeles is the only city on the planet that has hosted the Summer Olympic Games twice. A special Cat Patrol operates in one of the city's police stations. His main task is to catch rats. The first star on the Walk of Fame was laid in 1960. The city has the only lighthouse in the world that emits a green light. About 50 films are shot on the streets of Los Angeles every day.